Hello everyone, welcome to Junior Research Academy. This is the first video of important chapter series that's going to be done regarding UGC NET December 2018. And in this video, we are going to cover up important chapters regarding legal theory for UGC NET December 2018. Only 40 days are left for the exam, so I hope UGC NET aspirants are really working hard for the exam. Now in this video, the chapters that we are going to mention is that I hope all aspirants have already covered it up. If they haven't covered it up yet, so they can go through as well. Before starting with the important chapters, I would like to start with the syllabus first. Then I'd like to go to the analysis of July 2018 question paper regarding the legal theory portions, and then I'll delve into important chapters. So first and foremost, we will look into the syllabus. As you already know the syllabus is quite like this, including the paper 2 and paper 3 of the last year's pattern. The 10 or 11 portions are there in the syllabus, like nature and sources of law, positivism. This positivism includes the analytical theory and the pure theory of law. And the next part is natural law theory. Sociological jurisprudence is also included, but not the realist school. Now the theories of jurisprudence, theories of punishment is there, rights and duties are there, concepts of possession and ownership, legal personality, judicial process and application of doctrine of President of India. And now the number 10th is quite vague. Okay, you may leave it aside, or you have, I hope you have gone through some articles regarding this, but this is quite vague topic because this topic is for subjective. Okay, that's why this topic was there earlier and it hasn't been omitted yet. So this topic is judicial contribution in bringing social changes, and the last part is law and morality, so it can contain a lot of quotes as well. Now getting on to the syllabus, it's already done. Now getting on to the next part regarding analysis of question of jurisprudence or legal theory of July 2018. In July 2018, for the first time, the pattern has changed and we have 100 questions now in UGC NET. So in out of 100 questions, there are 11 questions. Out of these 11 questions, we have dissected the different portions out of it. Okay, the analytical school has contained one question, pure theory of law contains one question, natural law school one questions, different theories one question, books and jurists one question. So school of jurisprudence contains around 4 to 5 or 6 questions, though the sociological school is missing here. The next part is legal rights and duties, contains 2 questions, legal personality contains 1 question, possession 1, precedent 1, and administration of justice 1. This administration of justice, this can be brought under that vague concept like judicial contribution in bringing social changes, that can be brought under that topic. Okay, so administration of justice 1 question. So total there are 11 questions, you can see it, and a school of jurisprudence has around 5 questions, 4 to 5 questions, and this legal rights and duties, persons and possession, though the ownership hasn't come, so this portion has around 4 questions. So out of the school of jurisprudence and the legal rights, duties and the persons and the possession, this has 4 questions, so they are sharing out of 11 9 questions. So you know where the focus is and you can prepare according to that. Now getting on to the important chapters, I have already mentioned some chapters, important chapters already, but getting on to the important chapters, the important chapters are like this. These 4 portions, these 6 portions are already been missing in July 2018. So these 6 portions are like this: nature and sources of law. Okay, this portion, it contains a lot of things, but it's quite easy, it's manageable. Law and morality can be a tricky one regarding the courts, because a lot of courts can come from law and morality. And sociological school, it's a part of school of jurisprudence, theories of punishment, judicial contribution in bringing social change, the vague one, and the ownership. So these are the 6 portions. These 6 portions are important. I hope you have gone through already this sixth portion. If you haven't gone through it, because ownership, sociological school, and nature and sources of law, these three are really important, and they can carry questions this year. So the 3 or 4 marks, you can see it from here. So there are 10 to 15 questions that can be expected out of 100 questions from legal theory portions. And also I have given the link in the description section. You can read the article that's given regarding the whole description that I have already shared with you. You can go and read that article as well. Also, there is a book link that's given in the description below. You can check that book. The book name is Decoding the Jurisprudence. You can get that book from Amazon or Flipkart or from Research. And that book contains the objective part only, no subjective part is in it. Okay, so you can only get the theories, codes, and the objectives books. So all the things that's generally coming in the UGC NET exam, that book contains those things only. So that would be quite handy for you to avail that book now. And also you can go and check the UGC NET December crash course program offered by Research. And this is a postal program. You can get the hard copy and the soft copy of that course, and I hope that will be pretty handy one for you as well. And we also provide the July course. So the students who are going to give in July 2019, they can take the course or enroll it for July 2019 as well. And for the UGC NET 2018 preparation, we provide mock test, free mock test. You can go and check it out how much prepared for the UGC NET December 2018. You can go and give the mock test, enroll it for free, and check out your preparation. So all the things that we have already shared with you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, because this is the first video of important portion series. There are a lot of videos coming up. And finally, happy Diwali to all of you. Thank you. See you soon.